Hello friends, good morning. I am Gijo here. I am a blogger, author and entrepreneur. I am inside the Thattekad Bird Sanctuary and this is the place. You can walk inside. You have to take 50 rupees ticket and this is maintained by the forest department. This is Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. People come here to watch the birds and enjoy the forest life. Lot of varieties of birds are here. And these are some of the birds. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary, Wildlife Division, Idiki. Indian tree pie, large cormorant, jungle balbir, large pied wagtail, grey jungle fowl male, jungle owlet. So many strange birds are here. I am actually hearing all these birds for the first time. See, some strange kind of birds are here. Lot of wild animals also here. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary is also known as Salimali Bird Sanctuary. Dr. Salimali Bird Sanctuary, and it is located on the route from Cochin to Munnar. You have to get down at Kodamangalam town, then travel about 15 to 20 kilometers. There is bus in this route. You can come here and spend a full day watching birds, butterflies, etc., and walk through the forest. This is a really wonderful experience for each and every one of you. For those who come Kerala, visit Kerala. Many places in Kerala are very beautiful, but relatively unknown places are there. My aim is to shoot photos and videos about these lesser known places and show it to the rest of the world. I also want to showcase the beauty of Kerala to the rest of the world. There is a boating facility nearby. This forest, you have to be careful if you are coming in the night. Only after getting permission from the forest authorities you can walk here. The elephants will come sometimes. Today we got permission to travel inside. I am the lonely traveler. Nobody near me. The wild elephants are here. They live in this forest. Sometimes they attack humans. So I came in the morning to explore. There is a 1 kilometer trek inside the forest. And bamboo forest. Bamboo is also here. So many trees. Walking in the forest itself is a wild experience. I really enjoy this. I want to be lonely and walk in the forest talking to myself. People think that I am mad person. There is a big connectivity between everything here. You see the large bamboo. Very big bamboo bush. Superb place. Bamboo, no. There is something peculiar about bamboo. It's very cool. When you come near the bamboo, it's very cool. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary, Wildlife Division. Malabar Whistle Trust. So many strange birds are here. Every journey for me is a self-discovery. I don't see places just like that. I want to see the culture of the people, birds, animals, wild flowers, wild animals, so many things. The silence of the wild I like most. I try to travel to as many places as possible. That too, sometimes I go with my friends, sometimes I go alone. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. Some strange birds are here. See, everywhere boats are there, wheelboats. Barbed fence is here. The place is maintained by the forest department of Kerala. The staff also well behaving, good behavior. They are helpful. If there is elephant, they will tell you in advance not to go and create trouble. What you can hear is only the chirping of the birds. I come inside. Forest attracts me a lot. I don't know how. Right from my birth, I love nature. I'm basically an engineer by profession. My name is Gijo Vijayan. I resigned my job to travel and explore nature. I've been to several countries. See this big bamboo. So many birds are here. It's a home to many birds. Some wild birds are here. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary is very good. There is boating facility also available here. But the best part of this bird sanctuary is the lonely forest. You can walk through the lonely roads. This is Salimali Bird Trail. Spelling mistake. Trail it is written. It is Trail. Trail. But no problem. Nothing to worry for a small spelling mistake. Littering is prohibited and harmful to wild animals. Written. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. There is arrow mark. Follow this arrow mark and travel through the routes. When you come to the forest, you understand the purpose of life. It's extremely important. Why you are born, what is expected out of you. The forest department has built a beautiful canal that is to collect water. That will help. Today I am so lucky I am here alone in this wild, talking to you. I have an umbrella with me. It seems cloudy and there goes going to be rain. This is another billboard of the various kinds of birds in Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. I went to the reception, I got one brochure. This is a thick forest, bamboo is also there. So many kinds of trees. It's very cool inside. I am walking alone. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.